everyone, remember, you can't take any analysis for granted. Many people have this habit of relying on imagination, replacing analysis with imagination, and using the results of imagination instead of objective analysis to guide themselves. This will easily lead to big mistakes. I don't know if you have paid attention to some news. On August 21st, the Ministry of Environmental Protection, the National Development and Reform Commission, the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology and other 10 ministries and commissions jointly issued the 2017-2018, the 2017-2018 Autumn and Winter Comprehensive Air Pollution Control Action Plan for Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei and surrounding areas, in conjunction with many provinces and cities. It requires that cement, including special cement, and other building materials industries should all be shut down during the heating season. The heating season is from November 15, 2017 to March 15, 2018. Cement grinding stations should be shut down during the heavy pollution weather warning period, which severely limits the supply of cement. Cement price increases are inevitable, but my first reaction at the time was that rebar was going to fall. How could you say that you would react like this? Because I use spatial thinking, what logic is implied in this? There are some extremely important factors involved, but many people cannot see them because they use plain thinking or even point-line thinking to see things. How can they see through them? When the production of cement was required to be stopped, it was the peak season for construction. You may often hear the saying that September and October are the golden months, which means that the demand for cement is the highest. There is an extremely important result here. Everyone is only focusing on the price increase of cement, but ignores this day, that is, the shortage of cement supply. The heating period only started on October 15, 2017. Why are we paying attention to the shortage of cement now? I will talk about it in detail later. The reason is that after the shortage of cement, the supply cannot keep up, and the most direct result is that the construction site will have to stop working. Without cement, the construction site will definitely stop working. Once the construction site stops working, rebar will not be used. Of course, the construction party will not hoard a large amount of rebar at the construction site, but purchase in batches. This means that the inventory of rebar will rise rapidly with the news of the suspension of construction site. This will at least be a phased turning point. As a result, the news of the suspension of construction site due to cement shortage soon appeared. On September 4, rebar peaked and fell back. Once rebar peaked and fell back, the Australian dollar could be shorted again. You see, it is combined with the foreign market again. So we not only need to interpret the news, but also what kind of news do you need? If we deduce and refine our needs, it is just a matter of waiting for the fish to take the bait. Moreover, news fragments are no longer fragments, but will become our treasure and our guide.